In ASCE 7-22, the standard added criteria for calculating wind loads on roof pavers. In order to see the roof paver option, you must have the 2022 version of the code or later selected. On the General tab, go to Structure Type and select Roof Pavers. Now click on the MWFRS method and notice that none of the methods are valid for roof pavers, and so we select None. Next, click on the C&C method, and you will notice that only Chapter 30 Part 5 is valid for roof pavers, and so we select that method. Now we can begin editing the pavers. To do this, go to the Roof Pavers tab above. The Roof Paver tab basically has the same building inputs that we have used when analyzing a building. That is basically what we are doing here. You define all of the parameters for the building itself. We have covered these inputs in depth in another video, and so refer to those videos for more detail about each building input. Now we will go to the C&C tab. We click Populate, and all of the applicable zones will populate the table. These zones are dictated by the roof type used and are the same as if we were performing a normal building analysis. Now click Perform Analysis to see the calculations for the components and cladding. Please note that these look very similar to the calculations for any building, but the equations used follow those specific to roof pavers.